In this video you will learn how to change color of anything in Photoshop. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and make sure to watch the video till the end. Open the image in Photoshop. First create a hue saturation layer on top of the image layer. Now click on this hand tool. Now if you hover around the image, you'll see a dropper tool. Simply click to take a sample of the part whose color you want to change. This will give us some range of colors according to our sample. If you drag the slider of hue, you'll see some colors changing. Here in this image, the sample is almost perfect, with a very little harshness at some places, which might not be in your case. So in order to make our final image perfect, we need to increase the range of sampled colors. In order to do so, select this dropper tool with plus sign, and hold and drag to sample a bigger range of colors. Don't worry if colors of other areas are getting affected, we will take care of that later. Repeat the sampling process to almost every part of the object for best result. When you are done taking the samples, click on the mask and select the brush tool. Select the hard round brush, and make sure that the foreground color is set to black. Now simply paint on the area which you don't want to be affected. To speed up the process, make selection of the area that you've to paint, and then paint with the brush tool. Now, zoom in, and paint carefully to make the image perfect. Here you can see that some part is left out. In order to cover that, change the foreground to white, and paint on that area. When you're working on the edges, you can choose the soft round brush in order to get rid of the fringes. If you overpaint it, then toggle back the foreground color to black, and paint it again. Take enough time in painting to make the final image perfect. Now when you're done painting, double-click here to open the hue saturation property. Drag the slider to whatever color that you want. If you want to change the color to black, bring down the saturation to 0, and adjust the slider of lightness to whatever value you feel comfortable with. I hope you liked the video. Do leave your views and queries in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. See you soon in my next video.